Assalamu alaikum. I'm sure you all are enjoying Ramadan and doing lots of du'as and ibadats that we should all be doing in Ramadan, and may Allah accept them all. Well, I'm sure that you must be enjoying a lot of iftar recipes, and I'm going to share with you all one of a very easy recipes that we all like at home. So let's make some bread rolls. All you'd need be any kind of stuffing, some bread slices, and you're good to go. So let's start. We will start by preparing the stuffing first. Here I've used some potatoes that are boiled along with some boiled peas, some frozen chicken tenders that I've cut into small tiny bits after frying them, and some chopped onions, some mayonnaise, and chili garlic sauce, along with some salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. I'm also adding some fresh coriander and going to mix everything together, and we'll keep it aside. Now to prepare the rolls, we'd be needing a few bread slices. You can either take the bran one or white bread. I had some white at home, so I'm using that. Some all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour and some water. Now to make the rolls, we're going to take a bread slice. We'll dip it from one side in the water. Going to squeeze out the water gently. We don't want to break the slice. Now going to place the stuffing in the middle of the slice like this, and we'll bring the edges into the middle and we'll start shaping into a roll like this. I hope you can get the idea. Now you're going to squeeze or press and then shape. While doing so, the excess water is going to release, so that's why I've placed the plate underneath. So you're going for pressing, shaping, pressing, shaping. So we got our roll here. Now we're going to put it in some flour like this, coat it all over, and we'll put it aside till we will get to the final stage. Now let's make one more, and I hope you can get a better idea that how you can make these rolls. These are very easy to make. It's just that once you're going to get the hang of it, you can always make them really easily. This is something that I've been making since I was in my early teens. So I'm trying to share all those recipes with you first that I've been making when initially I started cooking. And I've been into cooking when I was like in my late teens, and been making and preparing iftar food from the past few years now. So these are all of our rolls. We're going to give them a crumb coat now. And how we're going to do that? We're going to take a few eggs. We'll season them. I always like using garlic powder and some salt, and you can add some black pepper as well. Going to put a splash of milk or water and beat it like this. So our eggs are beaten. We're going to dip the roll first into the egg, and then you can put your breadcrumbs in a bag because it's always easy. You can just shake the bag and the rolls are going to get coated all over with the crumbs. These are homemade fresh breadcrumbs. What we do, that whatever leftover bread we have, even the leftover toasts, we just grind them, put them in a freezer friendly bag and freeze them, and then just use them whenever we want. We also sometimes season our breadcrumbs with some Italian herbs to give extra flavor to whatever we are coating with the breadcrumbs. So these are all the prepared rolls. We're going to put them in the fridge till we are ready to fry them. Now we're going to heat the oil in a wok, and over medium heat we're going to fry the rolls till they get golden brown, and then they're ready to eat. But yes, please wait till the iftar time. But then you can make them any time of the year, not just at iftar. So I just flipped them over so that they're equally brown from all over, and then going to take them out in a sieve, and then we'll serve. And I hope you're enjoying all the iftar recipes. I'll be sharing more, and I do look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you're enjoying the recipes. So that's all for now, guys. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements, along with all of my social media handles, are mentioned in the description box below. Shall be back with more soon, inshallah. In the meantime, please stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourself and of your loved ones. And please don't forget the less privileged ones. Happy Iftar to you all. Bye.